What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we'll be looking at a trade I took on AUDCAD on May 18th. So if we look into the past, we'll see that we were currently in a downtrend based off the 1 hour chart. We can see that price structure recently did change roughly in this area. But if you scroll out farther, you'll also notice that down here in this area, price has been rejected numerous times. So with both of these being added into the formula I used to trade, I was in a stalemate. We had confirmation down here telling us that price did not want to break this area, but we also had a confirmation here telling us that price was in a downtrend. So I had to be patient and wait for something to show up, giving me another confirmation, tipping the scale in which way that price was telling me it was going to go, which we finally get over here with this formation. We ended up getting a inverted head and shoulders. So we have the left shoulder here, we have the head here, and we have the right shoulder here. So this was the second confirmation telling me that price was going to move up. So with that being said, I took a closer look at this formation and I could see that we did in fact have an imbalance in the market right here. So when that happened, I simply waited, and again, keyword, I was patient. Something that you guys will probably hear me say in a lot of my videos is just be patient. The trade will come to you, and if it doesn't, there's plenty of other pairs that you can look at where the trade will come to you. So with this being said, we have an imbalance in the market. We have one candle separating all of this price action over here from all of this price action over here. So I simply waited for price to give me a strong impulse move into this imbalance, which I should have taken the trade right here. But for some reason, I must have not been looking at the chart, or I just didn't feel right about how this looked. I didn't end up taking my trade until this candle closed right here. So this is where I entered because price did in fact wick into it and then reject out of it, telling me that price did in fact want to go up. So we had our first confirmation with this area, we had our second confirmation with this inverted head and shoulders, and then we finally had our third confirmation telling us that price would be moving up because price was rejecting off of this imbalance area. And you can see that I did take profit right up here at the next valid 4 hour resistance area. And the reason I put my take profit up here was because I wasn't sure if price was going to continue up and break this area, because it is validated only as a resistance point. If we look back into the past, price has never tested above it. It's always hit this area and then rejected. So I didn't feel comfortable taking this trade higher than this area until I got strong confirmation that price would in fact break this 4 hour resistance area. So overall, this was a fairly simple trade. Once again, all I did was be patient and add all of my confirmations, and then once I had enough bias on the way I wanted to take the trade, I simply observed the price action, found my entry, and then took my trade. So if you guys have any questions about anything that I talked about in this video, please just drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see when I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.